Hey everybody, Pat here from West Corners Custom Cycles again. Welcome back to the Underground Garage. Thanks again for tuning in. We appreciate all the views we're getting, all the thumbs up, subscriptions. If you don't want to miss any videos, by all means subscribe to the channel, ring that bell. Today's tutorial is on hot rod flames. This I actually did on a mailbox. It's out in front of my house, but it's the same process for if you want to do it on a fender, a gas tank, hood of a car, it doesn't matter. I'm going to take you through step by step, show you how I did it, show you the finished product, and hopefully you learned something. Hey everybody, Pat here, West Corners Custom Cycles. Welcome back to the Underground Garage. I'm going to do a little tutorial here for you. Wasn't intentionally going to do one, but I decided in the heat of the moment to go ahead. Everything I'm going to do on this mailbox actually is the same thing, same stuff, same process you would use doing a gas tank, a fender, hood of a car, whatever you were going to do. I'm going to give you a breakdown, rundown on what I've done so far, bring you up to speed, and tell you what we're about to do and take you through it step by step. Okay, first, get whatever you're gonna customize, mailbox, toolbox, whatever it is. I like to use contact paper. I like to use clear. You can get whatever color you want. Same stuff your mother uses on her kitchen cupboards. Coat whatever you're gonna do with it. I like to take a piece of chalk when I'm freaking drawing out whatever it is I'm gonna do. Doesn't have to be flames. It could be American flag, it could be skulls, butterflies, whatever it is you want to do. You can put on there. I use chalk for the simple reason that when I'm drawing it out, if I mess up, if I do something I don't like, I can just simply take a wet paper towel, wipe it down. I got a brand new clean slate. I can start all over again and get it to where you want it. Once you get it to where you want it, go back over everything. I like to use silver Sharpies. As you can see, it shows up pretty good. That's what these lines are here. I traced out the flames. Once I got the flames all traced out, took a razor blade, went all around the edge, cut everything out, peeled it all off where the flames are. Now, I don't know if you can see. You can see where the flames. Once you get the flames peeled off, you'll be down to the bare metal. I took a piece of 3M green Scotch-Brite, scuff everything up. Do the door, do where your flames are, whatever design it is. Get it all scuffed up, take all the sheen off of it, get it good and dull. You paint something to bite into, make it stick better, you get a better finished product. The lines on here, the reason I drew them on there is just giving me an idea where I'm going to break up the colors that I'm going to do on this. I'm going to start off with white. Doors going white. First section of this is going white. And we're going yellow, orange, red, purple. Tips of the flames are going to be blue. The only thing I can tell you, I think that's pretty much it on getting everything prepped and masked off. Wipe it down with a good degreaser when you're done. Try not to use anything that's going to affect the what you got it masked off with. You don't want to use something harsh, lacquer thinner, or something like that. It might eat that away. I don't know what the reaction would be with this contact paper. I just use a spray cleaner, wipe it down. I'm not building a Taj Mahal here. It's a mailbox. It's going to sit out in the weather. If I was doing a gas tank or something like that, I might be a little more picky about it. But for right now, put this aside. Talk about the colors. These are the colors we're going to use in the sequence. My recommendation, spend some money on your colors. I could have got these all for $3 a can. I spent like $7 or $8 a can. But the better the product you use, the better results you're going to get, the better final product you're going to have. Like I said, we're going to go white, yellow, fade them right in. Where these lines are on the mailbox, my recommendation, each color is going to go, take your color halfway up above the next line. That way when you go to do your next cover, they'll overlap. You won't get any holidays where you're going to have it thin. Another thing is, don't do one heavy coat when you're doing your colors. Do one color at a time. Do 3-4 coats of it. Doing 3-4 coats, you're going to get a better finished product. You're not going to get sags. You're not going to get runs. Just light coats. Don't try and cover it all with just, each coat. Just by the time you're done doing them all, it'll cover fine. Don't worry. Let it tack up 3 or 4 minutes between coats. Once you get a color done, I'd let it tack up another 15-20 minutes before you start your next color. Once you get down to the last one, let it dry overnight. Come back. We'll unwrap everything, see what we're looking at. And I'm most likely, when this is all done, going to go around the outside of the flames with another color. I'll do a pinstripe around the outside of the flames, but I'll keep you posted on that, and we'll decide what color we're going to do. Also, there's a flag that comes along with this mailbox. Going to do something with that. Don't know yet. Might be an American flag, might be a Jolly Rogers, maybe some pinstripes up it to make it look cool. When it's all done, I got some stickers with the house number. Going to put that on there, and that's about it. I think we're about ready to get shooting this, get it in some color. As always, when you're shooting, be safe, protect yourself, wear a respirator, eye protection. If you wear latex gloves, it's easier to clean up your hands. You just peel them off, throw them away. If you're inside, like I happen to be, I'm in my basement today instead of the garage, so we really are in the underground. Make sure that you got good ventilation. Make sure you're not around pilot lights anywhere where you're going to cause a problem or a fire. All right. I will catch you people on the flip side when this is in color and it looks a whole lot cooler, and we'll take it from there. All right. See you later. Okay, everybody. Through the magic of video, it's been a whole 2.5 seconds. We're back. Mailbox is all painted, as you can see. That's the door. I'm going to put the house number on here. There's an eagle on the front of this door. It's stamped in the metal. I might even go over that in black. I don't know. Make it stand out a little more. But anyway, and I did decide to go with the American flag on the flag for the mailbox. I still got to do the blue field and the stars on that. Now comes my favorite part, unwrapping this, seeing what we got, seeing how cool it looks. When you're unwrapping this, do it slowly. Watch your edges. Make sure you're not going to lift any paint when you're lifting your masking. Another thing I should have told you before you went and sprayed this is to go around all your edges and make sure they're set, tacked down real good. You don't want anything bleeding underneath the masking that you did. But okay, without further ado, let's get this thing unwrapped and see what we got. My beautiful wife is sitting behind the camera. She's been waiting for this for a day. Say hi, honey.
Hi, honey.
Okay. Looks like it's coming out pretty cool. Looks like it didn't bleed underneath anywhere, which is good. That's what I was hoping for. I was kind of worried about that, but it looks like this contact paper really seals it up pretty good. I know when I did the stripes on the flag here, I used masking tape. I don't highly recommend that because if you look real close, you can see it bled underneath the masking tape on the edges a little, but like I said before, we're not building the Taj Mahal here. This is a mailbox. If I was doing a gas tank or somebody's fender or something like that, I certainly would be a whole lot more picky. But there you go, boys and girls. Looking like it's turning out pretty cool. Get it all off of there. I'm pretty pleased with the way everything's turning out. Like I said, be careful you're not going to lift up your paint job when you go peeling this stuff off. And there you have it. One flamed mailbox. Okay, there's your flame tutorial, people. Next thing I got to do with this, I cut a piece of wood to go underneath it. I got some stainless steel bolts to go on the side of it, make it look real cool. Make it look like studs. Put the door back on, get the flag back on. I'm probably going to outline the flames with, I'm thinking fluorescent green. Pinstripe it around the outside with some green, fluorescent green pinstripe. I'm going to paint that on. I'm not going to use pinstripe itself. That doesn't look as good. But there you have it. All right. God bless. Take care of each other. Be safe. Live life behind bars. Okay, guys. Welcome back to the underground garage. Here you are with the finished product. Outlined it in green. Put the house number on it. Did an American flag on it. There you go. Peace out.